Law is a very powerful weapon. யாரை காப்பாத்துறதுக்காக நாம் அதை பயன்படுத்துறோங்கிறது ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
This is a kind of movie that you can watch once in a lifetime. There should be nothing that will stop you from watching this drama that breaks the stereotype of framing the hero as Messiah yet again. Surya is making some impeccable film choices and deserve all the credit. The movie is based on real life instances of how the Irula tribes in Villupuram district in Tamil Nadu were subjected to custodial torture in 95, and the legal fight put up on behalf of them by a human rights lawyer, retired Justice Chandru. The year is 94. Sengini and Raja Kanna, a couple belonging to the Irulas, a tribal community in Chennai, are living their life with dignity, dreaming of a successful future. One day the village president is robbed, and by the bad luck, Raja Kanna is framed as a thief. Begin the open showcase of police brutality, atrocities, and the game of power, crushing the marginalized that needs Chandru to save the day. The very first frame is heart-shattering, where the police officers are segregating the untouchables from the people with a higher caste. That one scene literally blew off my privileged conscience, because before watching the movie, I knew that this is an original script. How can we treat people of our same species like a rat, or even worse?
எங்க தேடியும் கிடைக்கல. மாலா வெட்டு பொம்பளை சாவத்தலையில் வச்சுக்கின்னு வயிறு தெரியாம தெரிச்சு நிக்கிறேன். ரெண்டு பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு அப்பாரை கண்டுபிடிச்சு கொடுங்க சார்.
The movie makers make you realize the enormity of pain that Irulas went through in the 90s and still continue to be in many parts. He doesn't rush to introduce his big hero. Rather, he gives ample time to the real characters who are suffering the pain. You see a happy couple being destroyed by the men in power for a crime they never did. Women are molested like it doesn't matter. Men are killed as if it is rodent. And Irulas are subjected to all of this because their mistake is they were born in that community.
இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு பட்டா கிடையாது, ரேஷன் கார்டு கிடையாது, ஓட்டர் லிஸ்ட்ல பேரே கிடையாது.
It could be Surya's overshadowing all the posters, and he must to make this gem of a film reach far and wide. But the real hero of the movie is Lijo Moljos. Lijo plays a pregnant woman who is looking for her husband while her firstborn girl is by her side. Of course, she is in Mardani strong, but she is strong enough to not let the men break her spirit. Lijo's art in this 164 minutes is worth every appreciation that comes her way.
பாதிக்கப்பட்டவங்க யாரா இருந்தாலும் எத்தனை பேர் இருந்தாலும் அவங்களுக்கு நீதி கிடைக்கணும். அதை உறுதி செய்யறது இந்த நீதிமன்றத்தோட தார்மீக கடமை.
Manikandan, who plays Raja Kanna, is another heartbreaking performance. Manikandan manages to bring the baggage of his existence on his back, and it is visible. The only dream he shares with Sengini is building a house of bricks. My heart sunk when she walked into one, but not with him. Surya deserves to be given an award just for the project he is choosing to back. He has somehow managed to keep his superstar image aside and blends into his surrounding completely. Chandru is a character with a lot of responsibility. The writers even write him carefully, not giving him much of a backstory. But a bit of it was required.
My lord's police has been continuously foul-playing this case.
திருநகை வச்சு பணம் வாங்கினது எவிடன்ஸ் இருக்கு.
3 பேரும் வெளியூர் தப்பிச்சு போனதுக்கு ஐ விட்னஸ் இருக்கு.
TJ Gnanavel in his direction mainly focusing on telling the tale visually, because his story on paper is so strong and robust that half his job is already done. I believe he only managed to pull this off with SR Kadir camera work. He uses his camera to show the contradictions of the two communities. Watch J Beam with a strong heart, because at many places my eyes started to roll out with the heart-throbbing pain, because this happened to some people for real. Caste politics still exist in many parts of the country, and movies like these with people like Surya backing them are important to educate. Hats off to the whole team. Movie is available on Amazon Prime Videos.
நீதிக்கு ஆதரவான வார்த்தைகளை விட அநீதிக்கு எதிரான நீதிமன்றத்தின் மௌனம் ஆபத்தானது.